Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest, or rather the new kid on the block, the new series called Isitembu Sikamsongelwa. So now guys, it is said to be a short 3-part series. So I'm not really sure what they mean by 3 parts, if there's just going to be 3 parts or how it's really going to work. So I don't know how long it's going to work for or how long it's going to air for, but listen, we are here to review it, so let's get right into it. Just to give you guys a bit of context, Umsongelwa is this guy. He is this polygamous man. He has 3 wives, but ingathi guy ukhathele isithembu sakhe guys, ufuna ishiya phansi for his high school sweetheart that he bumps into, and he wants to leave everything for this new girl, or not a new girl, but for this girl that he has rekindled his love with, or they rekindled their love, something like that. So guys, is like the episode iqala esiphakathini, where we see Umsongelwa. He is fighting with one of his wives, balwela suitcase guys, and Umsongelwa's like, angisifuni mina isithembu, angisasifuni. They're fighting over his suitcase, and then the wife is saying, uzosilahla isithembu, ngifile mina. Then as they're fighting, wife number 1 umamkhulu angene endlini athi kwenzakalani lana. Umsongelwa goes on to say ukuthi he's saying to the first wife, he's saying kumamkhulu ukuthi uyambona ukuthi wenzani, she won't let go of my suitcase. Then unokhuzana umamkhulu athi when we are pig in a suitcase, ayike Umsongelwa athi ukuthi ngiyekeni ukuthi ngiye kwanhliziyo ngise. Hey bo. Then the 3rd wife guys comes in, which is she's the 2nd wife. She comes in and she sees everyone fighting. Manje it is umamkhulu beno last wife, they were fighting Umsongelwa over the suitcase. Wife number 2 comes in and she's wondering ukuthi kwenzakalani. Beyangena ukuchela indlu guys, uchela indlu ngamanzi, uyathandaza laphayana. She's busy like, I cast out leli demoni lelu, siyacela baba ukuthi ungenelela kuleli khaya leli. While she's praying guys, abanye balwisa Umsongelwa for the bag, for his suitcase. Guys, he like his pity nje. Then Umsongelwa says, okay, ngicela ukuthi ningixolele ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi sengihlaselwe lana, ukuthi niyanginwisa lana. Then umamkhulu athi beka isikhwama phansi phela. And then wife number 3, she says, awuchazi lutho, buyisela isuitcase ekamereni. Umsongelwa's like, ngixoleleni. You can see ukuthi his wives have overpowered him. Lokhuzana, the wife number 2 comes, abachile guys, abachele ngamanzi. Umsongelwa akwata athi yini manje, yini ungicheleleni ngomchamo, why ungichela ngomchamo? And she's like, no baba, cha baba, amanzi aphusisiwe lana. Umsongelwa's like, oh, shuthi mina ngilidumoni mina, that kumele ukuthi ngichelwe ngamanzi mina. Hayi umamkhulu, she's like, silindele ukuthi ukhulume usitshela ukuthi what really is going on. At this point guys, I'm saying wife number 1, 2 and 3 because at this point when we started watching, we didn't know whose wife, who is who, and their names. So I'll get into the names as we go on. So mamkhulu is saying ukuthi sikulindini ukuthi ukhulume phela, sichazele ukuthi what is going on lana. Umsongelwa says, kulungile ke makhosikazi yami, kusekhaya la. And then he starts singing kusekhaya la. So they just looking at him ukuthi hayibo wena ungakali ngoma, like out of the blue, while thina silinde wena ukuthi uchaze ukuthi what's going on lana. He continues singing guys, he goes over to the couch, he sits down, but phina bevumisa nabo ke guys ukuthi kusekhaya lana noba izindlu zezodaka. So they sit down. As they sit down, wife number 2 ngathi she's the wife womthandazo ke. She says ukuthi asikebiseni ke amakhanda phansi, sibonge nje uNkulunkulu. And then everyone closes their eyes and she starts praying. Next thing we see on the screen, it's written 1 week later. Kusho ukuthi bazama usichazela ukuthi what really happened a week later for us to get to the scene where sokuliwa nje, because we don't know ukuthi isikhwama sani, why are they fighting over suitcase guys. So yeah, that's when we get the that's when we get the meat of what really is going on here. 1 week later, sibona uMsongelwa, he is driving itekisi lakhe, driving into the yard ebusuku ke. And as he's driving into the yard, wife number 3 ke, she runs to the car because one indoda yakhe. That time, guys, kusebusuku uzigqokela ilingerie umukele. uMsongelwa ke, he gets out the car and he's surprised ukuthi ebusuku kangaka umuntu engigijimela ngama-lingerie. He's like, senzeni. Kusho ukuthi wife number 3 gama lakhe usenzeni. So he's like, senzeni. Senzeni is like tumarate or tumabute. Then uMsongelwa is like, hi bo. He, ngoke ngizwe namhlanje ngibingelela nguwe. Ayike uSenzeni is like, sekabuyile phela ubaba. uMsongelwa is like, he nibo. And then uKelly ke uSenzeni, she's like, baba, and she's smiling. Kusho ukuthi uKelly uzolanda izinto zakhe because the way she's sweet talking this man and she's dressed in lingerie. uMsongelwa again, he goes to the back of his bike, he's getting some things out. He's like, niyaphila kodwa. And then uSenzeni is like, siyaphila baba, wena unjani? uMsongelwa is like, how? Yikho konke lokhu. Hayi bo. He's looking at her at this point. He's like, yikho konke lokhu, like you just coming here ukuthi umbingelele. And he's like, njengoba ugqoke ikhethinisi, awugodoli yini Senzeni, awugodoli? She's like, ngiyagodola baba. uMsongelwa is like, manje ambethe ngani Senzeni? I'm just like, the way this man is so unromantic, like he's not even catching the cues. Ukuthi uGelly, she's here to seduce him. Yena he's busy asking ukuthi like why engagqokile guys. Ayike uSenzeni goes on to say ukuthi iyodwa ingubo engifuna ukuyimbatha baba. uMsongelwa is like, hayibo, what kind ingubo enjani leyo? And then uSenzeni, she says, uDumakade umkhulu. And then uMsongelwa says, hayi Senzeni, ngeke. Hayi Senzeni. uSenzeni is like, asambe siye kwami baba. uMsongelwa is like, hayi angeke uyisigebengu wena. That time he's kissing her boobs, guys, because her cleavage is showing them. And then uSenzeni is like, asambe. uMsongelwa is like, uyisigebengu wena. Ufuna ukuthi ungimoshele izinto zami lusuku lukaMamZobe nje namhlanje uyazi nje. I'm like, this man plays by the books. But uSenzeni is like, listen, anginandaba ukuthi whose day is it? I want my man ekamereni lami. At this point, uSenzeni is holding uyamtofoza. She's holding a man. She's like, asambe baba, angeke abe nenkinga uMamZobe. uMsongelwa is like, hayi ungangibambi. Kanti wena udliwa yini ngempela, udliwa yini? And then uSenzeni, she says, ngiya-ovulate baba. uMsongelwa says ukuthi uthi wenza njani? Ngiya-ovulate. uMsongelwa is like, ovubani? And then she says ukuthi usho ukuthi baba, namhlanje I'm fertile. Uma-ke, as she's explaining there, uMsongelwa is like, how? That time he's holding his head. He's like, are you telling me ukuthi you fertile? Wena you want to treat me kanti ngishilo kuwe ukuthi namhlanje lilanga likaMamZobe. Ngeke nje ngivume udlale ngami. Wonke nje umuntu une-day lakhe la ekhaya, unosuku lakhe la ekhaya. Let's play by the rules, madoda. Asidlaleni ngama-rules. Let's play by the rules of the book. Hayibo ulokuzana-ke uSenzeni, she says, okay baba, bengicela ukuthi ungifakise isandla-ke. And then he's like, ayingeke. She's like, ngizofaka kancane baba, kancane. uMsongelwa is like, ngeke Senzeni, hamba, hayi, hamba uphuze itiye or something. He leaves uSenzeni there, guys. uSenzeni is like, hawu kodwa sengazi athi ikhethinisi into yami nje ebiza kangaka. And then she goes back into her room. I'm like, this bad for indoda enesithembu, like he's very behind. Yo guys, I was laughing. Anyway, beyengena endlini-ke, uMamZobe, she's busy ayina laphayana, busy singing, ironing his trousers. uMsongelwa angene endlini-ke, and then he says, yebo weMamZobe. Umamzobe aphenduleke. She's like, yebo Tumawude. Kanti wena ukhulumayo la ngaphandle kade ngingakulindele phela mina bengithi ukuthi uzobuya late kakhulu because inyanga iphelile. Umsongela says, hayi lalela ke ngivele ngathi kunduku ukuthi must take care of everything so that mina ngizophumula ngikhathele kabi phela. And then umamzobe she's like, unduku. Umsangwena's like, ehena. And then umamzobe's like, cha, uyamthemba nonduku wakho. Waze wathembeka nonduku. Umsangwena's like, kakhulu. Ngoba phela, he's shown me that I can trust him. Uyazi nawe ukuthi phela, mamzobe, uyawudinga umuntu ozomthemba mawusebenzele nkini. And then she says, unduku kodwa, hayi cha baba. At this point, Umsongela, he's already put the stuff that he came in, he put it in the kitchen, and now he's sitting down on the couch while the wife is ironing there. And then he says, Wengadlangandla yam. And then umamzobe, she's like, babakhe. Then he asks, awusho-ke, leli gama elithi ovune, ovumating. Hey guys. And then ulokuzana umamzobe, she's like, uyithatha phi leyo nto. Umsengwela's like, angithi ngusenzeni, uyasuka la, she's staring at me, uyangivimba emnyango, uthi baba, ngiya-ovulating mina. Ahleke umamzobe. She's like, ovulating. In simple terms, she was asking ukuthi ulale ngakwakhe namhlanje bakithi. Umsongena's like, nobani, alale nobani. Umamzobe laughs and she's like, nawe phela. Umsongena's like, ngeke, ngiyala mina. Akalindilanga lakhe. Sihamba ngomthetho la ekhaya. Umamzobe says, hayi cha, ungungqondo wesithembu phela wena. Fanele ukuthi ufundise amanye amadoda ukuthi wenziwa kanjani yabo. Umsongela's like, hayi, ngathi sewudlala ngami nje, udlala ngami. Nawe futhi uya-ovulate. Umamzobe ahleke and she's like, musa nje ukuganga ngami. Mina phela sengimdala kabi. I just get isifuthi, angisathi shu phela mina. And then Umsongela's like, hayi bo, uyakanga wena, you're not old. Umamzobe's like, awu kahle bo. That time they busy laughing and flirting with one another. Umsongela then says ukuthi lalela-ke awuthi nje ngikunyakazise ngadlangadla yami madoda. Kade nje ngagcina ukuthi ngikuzwe ukuthi unjani laphayana. Umamzobe's like, musukudlala ngami wena, blushing there. And he's like, awuthi ngikuzwe mamzobe, ngagcina kudala phela. He walks over to her, amtikazi, they're there. Umamzobe is giggling, guys, and she's like, don't be silly wena Tumabude. They're tickling one another, guys, dancing while tickling one another to the couch. She falls on the couch, he falls on top of her. As he's tickling her, guys, about to kiss her, avela suze, guys. Then Umsongela's like, hey bo, hayi ungadlali kanjalo. And then she's like, wena ungenzani. Umsongela's like, ungaze usuze kodwa. And then they both laugh and she's like, wena ubuthi ungenzani. And then that scene ends, you guys. The next day, angithi he slept kwamamzobe. The next day, avuke, umamzobe comes into the room, guys. Ulele Umsongelwa. She comes into the room with a tray of ukudla. She comes in, she's like, Tumabude shange, vuga, seksile phela. And then he's like, how skhathi sini manje? Mamzobe says, I bought 8 o'clock manje. Awubuke ukuthi what type of delicious meal I've made for you. Ngikwenzele i-English breakfast ngathi bunje isikopho osithandayo ngase ngafaka nomhluzo-ke ukuthi nje iqolo lakho liqine yabo. And then ke ahleke-ke ulokhuzana Umsongela ahleke. And then he gets up, guys, he goes and sits by the chair. And then ulokuzana umamzobe brings the tray over to him. So umamzobe that time, guys, mele kamereni, it's her man's birthday. Kodwa uphobisele ante ebovu, that clay ebovu, guys, ebusweni. I'm like, listen ma'am, it's your man's birthday, I expected something sexy. So as he's kissing her on her forehead utabonge for the breakfast and in he's like, hawu kodwa mamzobe, like ubomvu lakho like ekuseni kangaka. And then avela ahleka athi hawu kahle kodwa baba. And then Umsongela, he is about to eat and it's like, yay, he mix masala and jena. And then after that, she then says, Mom Zobe then says, ukuthi hayibo, ungangitsheli, don't tell me ukuthi wena you forgot ukuthi today is your birthday. Umsongela's like, how? Angithi uyazi thina ukuthi izinto ezinjena, like birthdays for men, like it doesn't matter that much. I-ke while he's busy speaking le ngaphandle guys kuyaxakana omunye uthi hey uyangijwayela omunye uthi hey senzeni like usuyangijwayela manje kuyaliwa. The two other wives are outside kuyaliwa. Umamzwabe is like uyawuzwa lo msindo ngaphandle yilabafazi bakho-ke yilabakhosibazi bakho abebethanda nje ukulwa. Outside there, Usenzeni, which is the lost wife, she's the one who's the studla, guys. She's busy. She's like, uyang an, yabona ke wena, yabona, uzongithola wena. Hey, bo, umsongelwa ke in the house. He's like, hayibo, ngosuku lwami pho. Ngosuku lwami lokuzala, hayi angeke. Umamzobe is like, zwani. Bayakwebhana le ngaphandle. Like, hayi abafazi bakho abakuthandi nje ukuthula. Hayi ngeke. Anyway, unokhuzana ke. Umsongela's like abangazi yazi abeg itray le, and then he gets out, he goes out. He's like, yay, Nina. That time the two wives, they were both carrying presents or boxes which have presents. They busy fighting there. Usenzeni is like, khuza nomfazi wakho. The other wife is like, angikhuza ukuthini. Usenzeni is like, phethekile. Ngizokubamba ngimbama mina ngikushaye. Uphethekile wakhona-ke. She's like, ungazama phela. Yo, unokhuzana umsongela just says attention ingathi ulisoja guys, and then they both keep quiet. And he's like, how ningaze ningihlambalaze kanjena in front of the whole community, making noise, extending anje. He looks at Usenzeni and he's like, let's allow it. Usenzeni then hands over the gift to him, and then he looks at her and he's like, Nkabuzeke. Then she kisses him on the cheek. Then he's like, how? Leteti beyam kodwa. Usenzeni is like, Tumakake. And then Tumakake looks at the other wife, uphethekile. He's like, let her learn. Then she gives him the gift, and then he's like, Nkabuzeke. She also kisses him on the cheek. And then he also says to her house, Thandwa Sam, ningalwi, niyabona lamabhulukwe lawa, ngizowahlanganisa and I will make a traditional attire. Kusho ukuthi these two wives, guys, the presents that they bought for their husband, kusho ukuthi it's the same presents, and one thinks the other one copied them, and that's why they're fighting. So umsongela's telling them ukuthi ngizowagqoka-ke, I will make a traditional attire, ngiwagqoke kanye niyangizwa. And then he goes on to say ukuthi namhlanje bokufanele ukuthi like it's supposed to be usuku nje olumnandi, kuyasinwa, kuyadliwa, nice futhi, hayi ngeke like nina nilana nilokhuzana niyalwa, izinto ezinjalo like ziphatheni kahle nje emzini kababa. And then he just walks off. As he's walking off, Usenzeni aqala, she's like, yabona wena la engizobamba khona. The other one is like, ngizame manje. I'm just like, yo, these wives, guys. Anyway, next scene, we see Umsongela userenkini, guys. So Umsongela, he is a taxi owner and uyarenka. So he's at the taxi rail, guys. He's in his taxi. He's busy counting money laphayana. He's waiting with itekisi lakhe ligcwale. As he's waiting, kanjalo, guys, there's a beautiful lady that comes by. She's coming and she's walking towards his taxi, and she's pulling or dragging her suitcase laphayana. Umsongela, he looks at her like the way he's looking at her, ingathi like iyamfanisa or something like that, and then he gets out of the car. As he gets out of the taxi, guys, he's like, hayibo. He goes around. He's like, hayibo, wasanda, get the girl, wish you would to wasanda. Or girl, she's like, so. And she reaches out and she gives him a hug. As she gives him a hug, she's also in disbelief. She's like, hayibo, binda, like, angwakhona mehlo ami. Like, I didn't like what yini vele kuletha lana. I'm so, I did not expect ukuthi ngikubone nje lana. Umsongela says, nami nje, I didn't expect to see you. Ufunani lana? Wasanda's like, angazi ukuthi if you heard already, odwa I moved my mother from here sekahlala nami eThekwini, so umuzi ola siyawuthengisa. Umsongela was like, hayi bo, bengingakwazi lokho. Then uGale's like, yes, ngize lana to do that. But anyway, happy birthday, mister. I was like, hayi bo, Gale still remembers his birthday. Umsongela's like, how? Usalukhumbula usuku lami. Like, after all of these years, she's like, how kahle so, like, how could I forget usuku olukhulu kangaka? Umsongela's like, hayi bo, after so many years, like Pella, it's been how many years since we've seen one another? Wasanda's like almost 10 years. Kanjena mengaphosisi. Like isikhathi sihambile mpem. Umsongela's like, hayi cha sona sihambile ngempela. He's grinning that time, guys. He can't believe his eyes. He's like, uyazi, ngicela nje ukuthi ngivumela ukuthi ngikuthinte. Wasanda's like, oh okay. He takes her hands. He's like, ayibo Asanda, like sihambile ngempela isikhathi kodwa nje ubuhle bakho like hasn't changed a bit. She's busy blushing there. He's like, yini ukeza ngobisi? Wasanda's like, how kahle. I'm so laughing there. She's like, ngiyabonga kodwa ke nawe ke uyi-full package, hayi kodwa madoda ukhona usaseyichama nje njengaqala. And then umsongela says, uyazi ukuthi bengicabanga nje ukuthi kunendawo, there's a place engifisa ukuthi siyoyivakashela. Wasanda's like, oh yikuphi ke lapho? And then uPhayi athi cha uzosibonela mesifika khona ngifuna ukumangaza nje. Wasanda's like, oh okay, akunankinga singahamba ke. He leaves that taxi of his guys because he drives the bakkie. Alaisha get his suitcase got Kelly in the bakkie and then they go. Next scene we see them in some place, guys. It's like a lake or a dam or something like that. Something like that. Wasanda's like, angikholwa ukuthi like ungilethe lana. UKhayi's like, iyona ndawo esagcinana khona lana uyakhumbula? Wasanda's like, ngiyakhumbula kahle. Oh, she says ngikhumbula kahle. Ayi kodwa hey, awume kancane nje. And then she picks up a rock or a stone, guys, and then she throws it towards the water. She's like, usawukhumbula lokho. And then he's like, where? And then they laughing. He picks up a stone as well. He throws it across the water. They laughing at one another there. Then Wasanda's like, ungitshele phela. Sibadala sibangaka. Uphi uma wasekhaya? And then uKhayi is like, bakhona. Wasanda's like, bakhona. Hey bo, bangaphi? Usho ukuthi wena mso unesithembu. And then umsongela is like, yes, kodwa ke bengicela ukuthi si-concentrate ukuthi manje like between this new relationship or whatever we are doing now, bengicela ukuthi si-concentrate on the both of us. uGale-ke she's like bese-ke mina ngifitha kuphi kulesi sithembu sakho. Then umsongela says, hawu phela shuthi uzoba unumber 4. She's like, hayi kahle mso, like unamakhosikazi awu-3. Umso goes on to say ukuthi ngiyindoda phela, yebo kunjalo. Wasanda's like, oh okay, so tell me, how did you end up with 3 wives? UKhayi achaze-ke athi angithi uyamkhumbula lo wokuqala uMamzobe. She was my brother's wife. Njengosiko-ke kwakumele ukuthi ngimshade ngimngene after my brother passed away. Enzele ngizogcina usiko enzele umndeni luzogcina usiko, so I had to take her as my wife. Then he goes on to say ukuthi lo wesibili ngazishelela yena after wena wangishiya nje kanjalo ngase ngibona ukuthi like I need to find someone to spend the rest of my life with, so ngamthola-ke ngamshada. Then uAsanda's like, lo wesithathu yena. And then uPhayi says, lo wesithathu wenzeka nje iphutha nje, something that was unexpected. uGale, she fell pregnant and her father spoke nje inhlamba ngabona ukuthi hayi angivele ngimshade uGale. Wasanda's like, yo kwaze wabuningi-ke and it just keeps getting kuningier. Then uKhayi's like, lalela nangifuna wena. Wasanda's like, mina phela like angizelanga lana ukuthi ngizoshawa amakhosikazi wakho. I don't want no trouble. Umsongela then says how angeke ngicela nje ukhohlwe yilabayana ngeke bakwenza lutho. I'm like, how labayana, your wives, you saying labayana? Wasanda zakhe so bengicela ukuthi ungihambise ekhaya ngikhathele, I really need to rest. At this point you can see ukuthi girl is kind of disappointed of hearing this, and now she's walking towards the car wherever they parked. Then uguys up awucabanga ukuthi mhlambi ukuza kwakho lana was for a reason. Wasanda zathi yebo ukuthi ngithengisa umuzi wasekhaya bese ngiyahamba lana for good. She then says, bengicela ungena bandla. At this point, Umsongela, he's standing in front of the door of the side, the other side of the car where she needs to enter. He's standing in front of that door, and that's why she's like, bengicela ungena bandla. Then he says, ngizokuvulela. And then he says, manje, uzongishiya nabani? And then she's like, how? Namakhosikazi akho. And then he's like, ngiyakuthanda nje. Then Wasanda's like, ashiyeke. Leave your wives. Then uguy says, ngizowashiya. And then ugirl laughs. She laughs because she's like, please, like, there's no man that's going to leave 3 of his wives for a high school soulmate. Next thing, guys, endlini bamsongela's house. The wives phela they busy decorating, but they busy bayacula kusekhaya la noba izindlu ezodaka in kuyadecorate bhalo happy birthday. Remember, guys, ukuthi it's still this guy's birthday. So then while they're decorating bazwe ngaphandle ukuthi hayibo ingathi kunemoto engenayo, so they assume ukuthi umsongela ongenayo, so they're like asicasheni bacashe. As uguy is coming in, and it's not umsongela, it's undugu it looks like usebenza ngaphansi kwamsongela, something like that. Usho ukuthi bezopaka imoto as umsongela's busy with his new soulmate. So Undugu melangena, everyone shouts, surprise! Undugu, he jumps up. Mom's always like, hi, suka wena Undugu, guys, uphele yintini, he's laughing there. He's like, ngiyaxolisa ngiqoneleni ukuthi nje ngiyaqala nje ukushayela ngiyaqala nje ukusurprise nje ngo-surprise kanjalo ke. Usenzela like uphi uDumakude. Then Undugu says, uShange uzobuya sekuhlwile namhlanje. Then usenzena abheka umamkhulu, and she's like, senze njani? Umamkhulu is like, ayakhuleka somlinda. Ayike Undugu says, Ndlunkulu ngicabanga ukuthi ningamlindi, maybe izameni lento yena kusasa. Kusho ukuthi uyazi uguy ukuthi ayibo ulokhuzana umsongela might not even come back tonight. So umamzobe goes on to say, I wena Ndugu, like suka, like kulungile, like phuma uhambe. Hi, he just stands there, and both the other 2 wives are like, hamba. Then he leaves. Umsongela, at that time, guys, kusebusuku, it's late. He is still in the car. He is parked at the gate of Asanda's house. At night, umnyama. Umsongela's like, how? Uhlala nobani lana ngoba ngathi kumnyama lana. Ugirl athi ubaba uKhumalo uyena osigadelayo, kodwa ngendlela okumnyama ngakhona lana shuthi akekho. Umsongela's like, kungabanjani if you allow me to go in and then we can continue ingxoxo yethu, continue speaking. Ugirl is like, ngicabanga ukuthi I told you angifuni nje, I don't want to be beat up by your wives. Umsongela goes on to say ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi nami ngichazele nje ukuthi angeke bakushaye labayana. It goes on to say ukuthi emaqinisweni angijabulile ekhaya, kodwa ke wena uyilethile intokozo enhlizweni yami. Manje ke ngiyacela ukuthi ngivumele singene phakathi sikhulume. Wasanda's like, okay, ngoba ke ubaba uKhumalo akekho futhi ke ngiyasaba ukulala ngedwa, only because of that ungangena. Next thing, guys, ekuseni ayibo umsongela ungene eyadini ekuseni driving a taxi, kanti his wives are chilling outside sipping tea. Ayibo, as he's driving the taxi in, they're busy saying to one another, hey nayibandla soke size ke namhlanje ukuthi usiphetheleni. Abanye ke they like, yo, hayi Jesu waze wasilinga. Abanye ke bathi hayi ngiyamsaba nomuntu, imagine ubuye ekuseni. So they're busy saying that amongst one another. Omunye he's like, umpeg. Uyasaba nosibheka nje. So he passes them, he doesn't even root. He passes them, he goes and park near the door wasemnyango. Usenzeni goes on to say before he even comes out of the car, of the taxi, Usenzeni says, where do mabute? Awudlule ngapha baba usitshela ukuthi ulalephi. Hi guys, he gets out of the taxi and then he just runs into the house. Mom's abambon and she's like, nange banera. Usenzeni, she's like, useqalile, tumabute. She runs after him, she runs into the house. Mamzobe now is left. Mamzobe is umamkulu. She's left with the second wife sitting there while Usenzeni is running after Lendota in the house. Mamzobe is like, yabona ke mega senza kanje sekakomile. The second wife starts, kanjani? Usenzeni, she gets into the house. Umsongela there, he's in his room, guys. He's packing clothes into his suitcase. So now it's starting to make sense. They are kind of tying in the last scene of the episode with the first scene of the episode. Upayisha impahla zakhe laphaya. Usenzeni is like, wenzahalani lana? Bo umsongela is like, Senzeni, anginaso nje isikhathi sokuchaza. Usenzeni is like, awunaso isikhathi sokuchaza. Ingubo ziyaphi pho? Tumabute. Awukwazi phela baba to not sleep ekhaya and then you just uyabuya nje and you packing your things. Tumabute is like, awukahle. Ngithe nje anginaso nje isikhathi sokuchaza hawu. Hlukana nami wena. You're this man, I'm like, shame, you can see he's no longer in love with his wives. The way he speaks to them, you guys. Usenzen's like, hayibo uyaphi. Now she's usegwele suitcase. Uyaphi. Hayibo, unokhuzana-ke. The guy is like, Senzeni, yeg, uzulimala. The guy at this point, he zips the bag. He's ready to leave the house. Usenzeni, there they are, guys. They are fighting over suitcase in the hallway. As they're fighting over suitcase, Usenzeni is like, usufuna ungishaya njengoba ungitshela ukuthi uzongilimaza. Hey bo, that's when the first scene happens where Mamzobe comes in and she's like, hayibo kwenzakalani lana? And that's where second wife comes in, aqhele ngamanzi, and then they eventually sit down and then they are praying. So they finish off that first scene as second wife is praying, thanking God for who knows what at this point. Unokhuzana-ke, uKai avula amehlo. And then he goes, he takes his isikhwama sakhe, his suitcase, while everyone's eyes are closed, and he runs out of the house. Usenzeni, as she opens her eyes, she's like, uyahamba mbambeni. Everyone runs after him. Kanti uKai serangene etekisini, guys. He's driving off. Usenzeni, she's standing in front of the car. She's like, angihambila. They eventually pull her off, and uKai just drives off of the yard like that. Everyone is left there crying. Tumabute. I'm just like, this man, guys, gaga. I must say, it is fun. It is funny. But I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Because really, is it really responsible for a man to leave 3 wives, guys? 3 wives. And then just for someone, osanumbona namhlanje. Plus to that girl, Asanda, I don't think she was that serious. Because she didn't think Wuchu guys gonna leave the wives. But anyway, let's see next week what happens, guys. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.